friends, I'm making this video to give you all a brief introduction about my Android app, which I have titled as PNR Status. By the way, my name is Prashant Jain and I'm currently a computer science final year student in GLA Institute of Technology and Management, Mathura. Now let's go to the app. This is the official Google Play page of my app. The basic motive I had in mind while developing this was to ease the checking of the PNR status that most of us do a lot of time in our usual days. For those among you who aren't very familiar about what a PNR number is, let me tell you, PNR stands for Passenger Name Record. Basically, it can be treated as a unique reference number for our railway ticket, and on the basis of which we can fetch the current status of our railway reservation at any time. Now usually most of us either go to the official website, which is very painful especially for the mobile browsers, or try to send the SMS in emergencies, and in the end we usually forget what to send and on what number to send, etc. Guys, this app here is the solution to all of those problems. Now let's go through the app once and figure out how does it actually work. Now for the development purpose, we will be switching to the IBM Eclipse environment, which is generally used for the Android development purposes. Now as you can see, the name of the project is PNR Inquiry, and we will be launching it on an Android emulator of the target version 4.0.3, that is also known as the ice cream sandwich. Now on running it, you can see the name of the virtual device is ice and the target is 4.0.3. Now on double clicking it, we will be launching it on the Android emulator and the main activity screen will be brought to front. On the main screen here, as you can see, this is the icon of the app that is also set as the background. And this here is the text box which is showing the hint that you have to enter your 10-digit PNR number here. The first radio button is for choosing the internet mode and the second mode is the SMS mode. The internet mode is recommended as it is generally fast and free for those who have the data connection. And this is the button which you have to press to get the status. Now we will try to fetch the current status of a PNR number. First we will enter the number here. As you see, if the number is not 10 digits long, it shows you the warning and prompts you to enter again. Now if we try to use the SMS service, it shows us the warning message. Are you sure to use SMS mode? The standard charges may apply. Usual rate by Government of India is 3 rupees. But it totally depends on your network operator. We will cancel this and use the recommended mode, that is the internet mode. As we click on the check PNR status button, it shows us fetching PNR status and asks us to wait. As you can see on the resultant screen, our lovely Indian Railway mascot TT Bholu comes with our PNR status. It shows the train number, the train name, boarding date, from, to, reserved up to, boarding point, class, that is sleeper. It also shows the status of all the passengers individually, which in this case there is only one passenger. Then it shows the charting status, that the chart is prepared or not, and in the end it shows the warning that the current status may upgrade or downgrade at a later stage. It basically shows all the information that is required by a PNR number. Now we go back to our main screen. Next time you want to check the status, you don't have to remember the number. The app does it for you. When you enter just the first digit of your number, it shows you the suggestions that match. You can select from them and check the status. As you see, I select from the suggested numbers and press done. Now you can check the PNR status here. It also has a special screen layout for the landscape mode. As you can see, when we switch to the landscape mode, everything adjusts itself automatically and it all looks nice and beautiful. Now let's have a little code walkthrough and familiarize ourselves with the basic project structure. As you can see, the project basically has 2 activities and 3 other Java classes. Among them, the PNR inquiry activity is the activity that handles the main screen, and the show status activity handles the result screen. The AppRater class displays a request to user to rate the app after a certain term of use, and the other 2 classes, the MySQLite helper and PNR data source, help in performing the database operations. The project basically has 2 XML layouts, the main layout for the main screen and the status layout representing the result screen. As you can see in the Android manifest file, it supports all SDK versions from 3 to 16, that is Android version 1.5 to 4.1, the Jelly Beans the current version. It requires only 2 permissions from the user. First permission is the internet permission for the internet mode, and second is the send SMS permission for the SMS mode. It also supports all type of screen density and every type of small and big screens. Now I'm going to show you some ways to quickly find my app. First, you should open the Google Play and in the search box type woodbug.pnr.inquiry. That's the package name of our project, and click search. You will quickly find a link to our app, that is PNR Status by Woodbug. Another way to find the app is to go to the Categories tab and go into the Transportation category, that is our category. Now, as our app is free, you should move to the top free screen. As you see on the 4th number, this is our app PNR Status by Woodbug. As you click on our application icon, it will take you to the official page of the app. As you can see, you can have a quick view about the progress of the app. As it is evident, the app has crossed the 10,000 download mark in less than 25 days. And the reviews are also good. The rating out of 5 is 4.7. As you can see, people are liking the app. This button here shows that the app is already installed on my phone. I request you to download the app from here and give us a chance to serve you better. Now I want to thank you for your time, and your constructive feedback will always be welcome. You can find me here on the email developer link, or you can directly mail me at omprashantjain@gmail.com. Thank you guys, have a good day.